This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. Welcome to 5205 Brighton Shore Drive in Apollo Beach. This beautifully renovated 2,488 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom custom home, built by David Weekley, offers high-end finishes and an ideal open-concept floor plan for waterfront living. The inviting layout and abundant natural light draw your attention to breathtaking views of the Mirabay Lagoon. Situated on an oversized pie-shaped lot with over 156 feet of waterfront along a deep expanse of the lagoon, there's ample room to create your dream backyard oasis. Your private boat dock, equipped with a 16,000 pounds boat lift and a jet ski lift, sits just steps from your back door, providing quick access to Tampa Bay's world-class fishing and waterfront dining, reaching the bay in just 15 minutes. The main living areas feature a wall of water-facing windows, durable tile flooring, open-concept great room, high ceilings, updated interior paint and custom wall designs. A large flexible space at the front of the home can serve as a formal dining room, media room, or private office. The spacious primary suite offers a dedicated flex area that can be used as an office overlooking the lagoon, a workout space, or a morning reading nook. The suite also includes a large walk-in closet and an ensuite bath with dual sinks and a garden-style soaking tub. The 2 additional bedrooms are generously sized, each with their own private, professionally remodeled baths completed in 2024, offering privacy and comfort with a true split floor plan. The fully updated kitchen is the heart of the home, featuring leathered quartz countertops and backsplash, a newer stainless steel appliances including fridge, gas cooktop, double ovens, a custom vent hood, a new sink with a touchless faucet, and pre-wired under cabinet lighting. Additional updates include a newer roof, 2019, with a 25-year warranty, water heater, 2022, a 5-ton HVAC system with a UV light filter, 2022, a new water softener, and a new irrigation control station. For added peace of mind, the home also includes a 15,000-watt whole home generator. This exceptional home is located in Mirabay, a highly sought-after waterfront community known for its resort-style amenities. Residents enjoy access to a 24-hour fitness center, heated pools, tennis and pickleball courts, and miles of scenic walking trails. The community offers a private boat launch, several parks, and a vibrant social calendar filled with activities for all ages. Mirabay's waterfront lifestyle offers endless opportunities for kayaking, paddleboarding, and connecting with neighbors in this golf cart-friendly neighborhood. This home offers the ideal blend of comfort, functionality, and the sought-after